1882s. And this is going to be a Czech-style sausage that's being ground and mixed by hand out of my local barbecue. This is uncooked. I'll be cooking these in a few minutes. Show you the final product when I get done with these. Okay, this is the first batch of sausages, tx-czech style, done over lump charcoal with a little bit of oak. I did it on I did it on the screen pan with some aluminum foil, and we're just sitting it off in this cast iron to get some of this oil out of here. It's a pretty good sausage, by the way. Not too spicy, but it's got a little hint of garlic, and it's got a little, maybe a little bit of pepper in it. It's not overly spiced, but it's seasoned pretty good. Okay, this is the last batch of sausages, done with some onions, with some wine, water, vinegar. I'm gonna let this cook out a little bit more, but this is pretty much done. Again, done with lump charcoal, a little bit of oak, mainly lump charcoal, and a little bit of oak chips. That's how we do it. Okay, this is the final product here. Creole spaghetti. 2 different sausages with onions and poblanos. This we have right there. Look at that. I'm gonna cover this stuff up here in a few and let it simmer out, let this fire die down. But this is the final product here. Creole Ken, out in the country.